girls. So I'm going to build a coop in between here that's big enough for me to walk into. So it'll be tall enough for me to get in. They'll be on the back side. They'll be on the back side here, nesting boxes here, and a door, a people door here, so I can go inside and clean. And so we can walk around the fence area, you know, this way, and check the nesting box from the outside, not have to walk through chicken poop. So from this tree to that corner post is 24 feet. And just the other side of this tree to the other side of this tree is 10 feet. So the new run will be 10 by 24 with a 4x6 coop inside that's tall enough for Susan and I to walk in. So my goal today is to frame up and possibly completely build the new coop and start framing the run area. It's going to be completely enclosed in fencing. On the top, on the sides, everything. So that's the plan today. 30 minutes ago, I walked out here and showed you guys the area where I'm going to put the new chicken coop, and I'm going to start building it. So this is what I got done. I cut 5 cuts on the saw. I moved the saw over. I made 5 cuts on the saw. We have a 10% chance of rain. Now I have to cover that saw because it's about to rain. So I'm going to screw this frame together, and then that's it. I got to cover my saw, wait for this rain to pass. Jeez Louise. So let me screw this thing together. Okay, here's the basic frame for the floor of the new coop. It is 4 feet by 6 feet, and it'll be 6 feet high or 7 feet high in the back and 8 feet high in the front. And we'll have a people door on this side and nesting boxes coming out the back on that side. That way I can walk in and clean the thing out. Next thing I gotta do is build a frame for the roof. Now I'm not putting decking on there, I'm just gonna put metal right on top, or plastic, whatever. And I'm gonna make it out of 2x4s instead of 2x6s. And I gotta go in the house, get my gloves, because I don't do this kind of work without gloves. Actually, over here by the outdoor shower, I have these 2x6s that are not in the greatest shape, but there are some solid parts to it. So I might carry some of those over and use them for the roof, the framing for the roof for the chicken coop, because why not use what you have and what you got for free? You know what I'm saying? The floor for the coop. I'm going to leave the end boards off here and here so I can get the 4x4s in there. Done so far today, but now the horseflies are out and they're biting. So 8 feet up there and 7 feet below, or 18 inches below, so the chickens can walk underneath it. This side complete all the way over to here. Now I gotta go get my saw and cut that last piece install it, and then I could start slapping up walls on this thing. I feel like I didn't get anything done today, but I drove around for 4 hours trying to go to different lumber yards to get lumber. But I got the roof framed up and 2 of the side panels. Now, over here, this is going to be a door, so I'll build a door for that. I got to put some framing inside to support those walls. And then I got to do this side with the nesting box. And then I got to cover this side over there and this right here. Then I'll cut them an access right in here and a little bridge going down, or plank, whatever. And then I'll have all this framing to do to frame the run. So, needless to say, it did not get done today. Here's the chicken coop. This is the side that you'll see coming down the road. That is where the door is going to be. Got it up off the ground. This is the inside. Not yet a roof, but it'll get there. We'll be able to walk in, clean it out, get eggs, and then their door going out will be on that side. And their new chicken run is this way, towards the house. Got another wall up. That up there is for the vent. Put some screen across it. And we're also going to drill some holes down at the bottom and screen them so it could circulate. Got all the walls on. We've got a storm coming, so I'm a little nervous. I got to put the hardware cloth up there. I'm about to put the purlins on the roof. I still have opening here where the human door is going to go. But the rest of the sides are on. And now I'm going to put purlins on because I want a roof on before all this rain comes. Jan's got the roof up. And yeah, ain't pretty. And 4 walls. And we're going to have to... We're going to what? We're going to have to tuck it up because tropical storm... Cristobal, yeah. Whatever, however they say it on the weather. Anyway, it's on its way. 100%. Anywhere from 1 to, 3 inches of rain? Well, on one day. Yeah. They change. Who knows how much? They change it every day, but we know we're going to get some. Which we look forward to because we do rain catchment. Most people complain about the rain. We go, yay!